Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering up the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Press and hold the power key until the Google logo appears. Once done, choose your language and connect to Wi-Fi. This speeds downloads and restores. Sign into your Google account to sync contacts, apps, and settings. Use your two-step verification when prompted so Google confirms it's you. Make sure to enable eSIM or insert the physical SIM now, because cellular activation completes during setup and saves time later. Once your account is active, restore apps and data from a cloud backup or use the quick switch adapter for a local transfer. This preserves messages, photos, and app states. Next, secure the device. Enroll fingerprint and optional face unlock, then set a strong PIN or pattern. Security features protect auto payments and passwords. Finally, customize privacy settings, review app permissions, limit background location, and disable unnecessary background data to save battery and protect your information. You finish by updating Android and all apps. Updates include security patches and camera improvements, so install and reboot. Configure Pixel features. Enable adaptive battery for longer runtime, set Do Not Disturb schedules, and tune camera preferences like HDR and Pro controls. If something goes wrong, restart the phone first. If persistent, clear the affected app cache or boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. For network activation problems, toggle airplane mode and reinsert the SIM.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.